traveling seriously. People are traveling. The road is very, very busy. Anyway, you make sure that we carry you along. When you get loose. It's a promise keeping. We are keeping to our words. We are keeping to our promise. By making sure that Abians, irrespective of where you are getting our video, irrespective of where you are, Abians will always get those situation updates back to back. All in any back today. So keep enjoying Kepukepu TV. Agimetache. Agimetache. Because we're gonna idea. I don't even know already. We are doing our best. We are doing the little we could to make sure that they carried along. Yeah, King Ifi, thank you. Thank you for appreciating us. Thank you, Noso Stablex. So we always try, we always do our best, we always make sure we keep pushing. There's no going back. There is no going back. Yeah. So I can a push back to back. Emoha. Emeto ebe atọtọ akị. Tọwụlọ osede. A ga-emetacha. So more than also I na agbalị ọha ntọ nwere ike ọgụdị nọ little few minutes can spend here. I believe that within that few minutes, you'll be able to understand the situation and also understand the speed of work, the scope of work, and also the idea to get this place done. So, on your boy, be able today or Friday, 20th already, 20th December, people are all getting ready, people are all traveling, people are all rushing to their various areas where villages here. Ndị Igbo na-eji Christmas egwu so I want a lot of money all over the world. We also believe they are going to enweta those situation reports, live reportage, and also information as it concerns the development in Abia State and its environs. But it's also important. So keep on watching and also help us to share the video. It's very, very important. You share the video, share the link to your people, to your relatives. Especially in the Aba. Monday become Mbofisi. Then equata no when Abia State. Here they see live reportage. Yes, live video, a pre-recorded video, a phone, a AI. Yeah, on Hana is I know you name as they play and so it is show. On here boy so I believe I be 9 minutes gone. Maybe if we manage to get up to 10, 12 or 15 minutes, we also leave you. And we can cut up now. Got other area. Already they watch the video when we started. I believe you can also watch it whenever you have a chance, whenever you come online. Yeah, will be also the link will be there. We'll also be dropping everything that you needed to see as regard to this video, and also so many other videos that will be dropping. So many other videos. So we'll also be giving you a link for you to do other things